weather veteran 5005. 13 dew point 8, altimeter 302.
Paine Tower, Skyhawk November 95220 request.
Skyhawk 95220, Paine Tower, say request.
Good afternoon. Skyhawk 220 is just departed from Paine Field. Request for active runway 16 left, then 1700. Skyhawk 220.
And Sky 220, roger, enter left base, runway 16 left. Correction, fly southwestbound, enter left downwind, runway 16 left.
Calling left downwind for 16 left. Thank you. 220.
Paine Tower, Cessna 5130, holding short of 16 left, ready for pattern work.
Cessna 5130, Paine Tower, stand by for landing traffic.
Stand by for landing traffic, 5130.
5130, make left traffic, runway 16 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 16 left, 5130.
Skyhawk 1673, Charlie, runway 16 left, clear touch and go.
1673 Charlie, 16 left, clear touch and go.
Number 95220 Sierra, traffic is your 12 o'clock, 1 mile northbound is a Skyhawk at 1500, and they're going to be turning base shortly. You'll be behind them.
Traffic inside to be number 2. Thank you. 220.
Roger, follow that traffic, number 2, runway 16 left, clear to land.
Number 2, clear to land. 220. Thank you. A white object. Second problem. Runway in sight.
Traffic, 4 o'clock.
Yeah, problem. Paine Tower 220, our intention is to do a couple of touch and goes in close traffic to the zero.
Skyhawk 22 Sierra, roger, runway 16 left, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go to the zero. Thank you. Okay, good path. Now we made. Okay. Button up, full power. Okay, speeding down right. Take off.
Skyhawk 5130, runway 16 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 16 left, 5130.
Okay, he's turning to base.
Skyhawk 380, runway 16 left, taxi via Golf.
5130, we're actually going to head back to parking.
Number 5130, roger, contact ground point.
Contact ground point 5130, thanks.
Okay, one flap down.
Number 22 Sierra, number 2, following a Skyhawk, wing up, turn and final, runway 16 left, clear touch and go.
Clear for touch and go to the Sierra, number 2, thank you. Okay, we cross the hand, turning left. Okay, speed checked, white track checked, second flap in. Okay, 500 to go. And final. Final for beam, speed checked. Okay, we're in a correct pass. Okay. Thumbs up. Full power. Okay, speeding to right. Take off. Extend. Closing turn. Full spacing. He's a little bit get closer. Crosswind. Okay, runway inside, traffic inside. He's on the runway. Final flap in. Good height. We are on the glide pass. Speed looks good. A little too high. Coming back. Okay, now we made. Up, full power. Speeding to right, 55, roll. Aiming for VY.
Skyhawk 9522 Sierra, traffic 1 o'clock, mile and a half, southwestbound helicopter 900, they're making an approach to the east side out.
Looking for traffic 220, thank you.
Number 22 Sierra, number 2, following a Skyhawk, wing up left base, runway 16 left. Clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go, 16 left, to the Sierra. We are departing to nose after this, thank you.
Skyhawk 22 Sierra, roger. After completion of your touch and go, left downwind departure approved.
Departure approved for left downwind, thank you. Okay, turning final. Okay, flaps up. Down, top power. Hey, speed right, roll.
Skyhawk 22 Sierra, traffic 11 o'clock, 4 miles, southbound, to Grumman 2100, making an approach to runway 16 right.
Looking for traffic, Skyhawk 22 Sierra, thank you. frequency change request up. Request.
Number 22 Sierra, traffic no factor, frequency